Hey there, this is Sam Peters. I've been playing around with a cool progression here, just an A7 to a D minor. This A7 is an E7 shape on the 5th fret, and this D minor is an A minor shape on the 5th fret. And I'm thinking of this D minor as my 1 chord. So this A7 is my 5 chord. And instead of ending on a 1 major, 5, 6, 7, 1, which is what our ear is used to hearing, I'm going 5 chord, 5, 6, 7, 1, minor. And I'm having a little fun playing a little riff between them. So what I'm playing here for this D minor chord is I'm thinking my D minor scale, which it's actually this Phrygian shape here on the 5th fret. I'll play it starting on the D. It goes 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and back. For this A7 chord, I'm thinking harmonic minor. So it's very similar to that Phrygian shape, just a couple different, a couple discrepancies. So it looks like this: 1, 2, 1, scoop my first finger up, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, big jump with that 4th finger. So I'm going to start with that D minor chord. So for that D minor again. One last time. You can find the tabs for this at patreon.com.